things are a little bit of a mess right now, but that's because I'm in the process of doing some things here. Right now, and my skillet is there for heating up some leftovers, and in the process of this, I got this little washer in delivered today, and went and helped my daughter with a couple of things. And when I got back, I'm like, I have to try this out. So I got out a pair of jeans, but they're not the denim jeans. They're not real heavy or anything like that. And so in the process of working it out, I didn't think I would be able to get them as dry as I want and have them rinsed out as much, but I wanted to be able to wash them and not have to do it by hand. And this thing worked so well. I can't even tell you. I mean, yeah, they were wringing wet even after, the spin cycle of sorts of, and I'm not sure how to explain how that works, but that was good. Because it was jeans, I did kind of have to watch over it to make sure that they turned over okay. But I am very confident that for the things that I need on a regular basis to help make my load lighter and what I have to take to the laundry, and if all I have to take is jeans and towels, that's a pretty good thing, because I can do my shirts, and most of my shirts don't need to go through the dryer. They don't need hot water, and so they need a pretty gentle wash anyway, as long as they get clean. And so so there were some paper towels here, and trying not to waste anything. These are kind of just kind of wiping up the mess as I went around. It was me, messy me. It wasn't the machine. It was the person using it, that user. And I needed to clean out my microwave. It still needs a little bit, but I took some of the towels and went to clean them. And in order to really reach to the back, then, and I'm moving around slowly because it's hard for me to walk and so on, but I went and I got my little step stool that I use in my bedroom, and it's right there. It's about 3 inches off the ground, so it allowed me to get up and reach to the back better. And so I just thought this was kind of funny and cute, and there's ways of being able to save money and have a little bit of fun in the process. I wasn't spending any money, right? And I still didn't, because I had points on my Amazon, and this was around $50, and with the shipping it was a little bit more, but my points that I had, or my rewards that I still had on my Amazon Prime, I was able to use it, and I got to have that. So there's Prime points that are good, and so they do add up, and they can come in handy sometimes, which they did now. Anyway, I wanted to share. I thought that was funny. Trying to get things cleaned up and done. I'm excited to be able to do some laundry in my own little place, and they won't be, super dry, but they'll be dry enough I can put them on a hanger, hang them in the shower, and they can dry in there, and they'll be just right for what I need. I hope you're all having a good day. Take care.